Hello everyone, and welcome to this video on solving quadratic equations. Let's see how we solve a quadratic equation using factorization. Here we have the quadratic equation x squared plus 14x plus 48 equals 0. We're going to solve this by putting the left-hand side into two brackets. Some people are able to know what goes in the two brackets just by staring out at the equation and instinctively knowing what goes into the brackets. This video is for those people who are not sure how to do this, to provide them with a sort of a structured way of doing this. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to break the quadratic equation into its three terms. So the first term is x squared, the second term is plus 14x, and the third term is plus 48. So the first step is to work out how we make x squared. Well, we make x squared by multiplying x and x, and this is going to form a basic table to help us. The next thing we need to do is we look at the number term, the plus 48, and we decide what two factors make 48. So we could have 1 and 48. 1 times 48 is 48. We could have 2 and 24. 2 times 24 is 48. We could have 3 and 16. 3 times 16 is 48. We could have 4 and 12. 4 times 12 is 48. And 5 doesn't go into 48. And we could also have 6 and 8. 6 times 8 is 48. Okay, the next step is to add these terms together. So 1 and 48 is 49, 2 and 24 is 26, 3 and 16 is 19, 4 and 12 is 16, and 6 and 8 is 14. Clearly, we can see that this here matches our x term here. So these are the values that we will put into our brackets. So the top row here uses x and plus 6, so that is x plus 6 in the first bracket, and then the bottom row here uses x and 8, so in our second bracket that is x plus 8, and that is equal to 0. Now, what we do know is that each factor will equal 0. So in our next step, we can say that x plus 6 is 0 and x plus 8 is 0. So therefore, we can see that x is minus 6 and minus 8. And this is how we solve our quadratic equation using factorization. Thanks for watching this video. If you'd like to learn more about how we solve quadratic equations and how this applies to finding the dimensions of different shapes, please go to our website kippersconsultancy.co.uk and join our classes. Meet students and tutors, have harder questions answered, build your confidence and access higher grades. Thank you. Bye for now.